Good day, everyone. It's math time. This is Sir Jeff, and welcome to our math tutorial video series. And for today's lesson, our topic is about finding the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. But before we proceed to our main lesson, let's recall first the definition of an arithmetic sequence. When we say arithmetic sequence, it is a sequence where every term after the first is obtained by adding a constant called the common difference. So as we expound the meaning and the concept of this lesson, let's have an example. So for today's problem, we need to find the 27th term of an arithmetic sequence 5, 8, 11, 14. So before we solve this problem, let's identify first if the given sequence is really an arithmetic sequence. So how? By getting the common difference. So that to get the common difference, we will simply subtract two consecutive numbers, the preceding term to its previous term, or the second term minus the first term. So our second term here is 8 minus the first term, which is 5. The result is 3. As we subtract the third term to the second term, 11 minus 8, the result is also 3. And as we subtract the fourth term to the third term, 14 minus 11, we also have 3. As you notice here, we arrive with the same result. And this result is what we call the common difference or the constant. Okay, let's go back to our problem. So in solving this problem, we have two options. So the first one, since we already know the constant or the common difference, and it says in the definition that to get the next term, we will simply add the constant. So here, we will continuously add the constant until time we arrive with the 27th term. But it takes time. So here, I'll be introducing to you another method on how to get the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Okay? So as you can see here, we have here a diagram composing of two colored boxes, the orange one and then the red one. So for these boxes, for the orange one, we will be placing here the solutions, the step-by-step solution for this problem. And for the red one, we will place here the procedure or the rule for each solutions. Okay? So first procedure is in this particular problem, we will be using the formula for finding the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. So we will be using the formula. So what is the formula in finding the nth term of the arithmetic sequence? So the formula here is, we have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So this is the formula wherein a sub n here stands for the nth term that we need to find. A sub 1 here is the first term. The n is, again, same with the given term. Then d here stands for the common difference. Again, n here is the nth term. A sub 1 is the first term, and d is the common difference. So as we have the formula, of course, we need to have the given value. So we need to identify the given values. Or determine. We need to determine the given values that we'll be replacing for the formula. So our n here, the given term is 27. Then our a sub 1, again, a sub 1 here is the first term. Our first term here is 5. And of course, the d, the common difference. How do we get the common difference? Subtract the second term to the first. 8 minus 5, we have 3. So the second procedure here is determine the given values. And after we have the given values, of course, the next step is we need to substitute the given values to the formula. So substitute the given values. Okay, so we will replace our given values to the formula. So a sub n will be a sub 27 equals, our a sub 1 is 5 plus the quantity of n minus 1. Our n again is 27 minus 1. And then the d, the common difference, which is 3. Okay, so formula, determine the given values. We substitute the given values. The next step, we evaluate this equation by using order of operations. So we need to perform order of operation, or what we know as PEMDAS. So we need to perform the order of the operation. So here, we will be evaluating first the terms in the parentheses. So 27 minus 1. So we'll be have here a sub 27 is equal to 5 plus 27 minus 1 is 26, still in the parentheses, times 3. The next step, still again, need to perform in these 3 remaining boxes. So after we simplify terms inside the parentheses, do we add or do we multiply? Of course, we will multiply as we have the MDAS. So 26 times 3. So as we multiply 26 times 3, we have 18, 678. So we have a sub 27 equals 5 plus 78. Okay? So after we simplify parentheses, we multiply. So 26 minus 3 is 78. Then of course, the last step is we need to simplify the result. So simplify the result. So 5 plus 78. So we add. So a sub 27 is equal to 5 plus 78 is 83. So therefore, the 27th term of this sequence is 83. Okay? So as you can see, it's clear. You just simply follow the procedure and then do the step-by-step solution. Okay? Formula. Determine the given values. Substitute the given values to the formula. Then we perform order of operation. So parentheses first, then we multiply, then we add. Then we come up with the result. Okay? So that's that's the second method on how to get the specific term of an arithmetic sequence. Okay? So I hope you learned today. If you learned, then I'm happy. Thank you.